Hi everybody, welcome to my video on information resources for the course Constitutional Law. Before going to see the available resources, let us see the major outline or topics covered under the course Constitutional Law of India. You can study the Constitutional Law of India course in law programs, that is LLB, BA LLB, BBA LLB, BCom LLB, postgraduate program LLM, certificate courses, and even other degree programs like BA, BCom, etc. The general objectives of the course are as follows. This course gives the learners an overview of constitutional parameters of the various organs of the government, federal structure, judicial decisions, etc. The syllabus of the course and chapters in the books are usually includes historical background of the Constitution, its kinds, nature, features and framings, preamble, assembly, various committees, federalism, union and its territories, citizenship, fundamental rights, concept of state, equality, prohibition of discrimination, right to freedom, right to life and personal liberty, right against exploitation, freedom of religion, secularism, cultural and educational rights, right to property, fundamental duties, directive principles of state policy, administrative powers, freedom of trade and commerce, president, governor of state, center and state executives, election, prime minister and chief minister, parliament and state legislatures, judiciary, Supreme Court and High Courts, distribution of legislative power, administrative power, distribution of fiscal power are the highlights of the course and major chapters in the books. Now let us see the books and commentaries available for the study of constitutional law. Constitution of India, written by V.N. Shukla and published by Eastern Book Company. Indian Constitutional Law, written by M.P. Jain and published by LexisNexis. Introduction to the Constitution of India, written by D.D. Basu and published by LexisNexis. Commentary on the Constitution of India, written by D.D. Basu and published by LexisNexis. This has 15 volumes and the 9th edition is the latest one. Constitutional Law of India, written by J.N. Pandey and published by Central Law Agency. This book is student friendly and has many editions. Every year this book gets updated and published. Constitution of India, written by Jagadish Swarup. This is the 3-volume book. Constitutional Law of India, written by Dr. Subhash C. Kashyap and published by Universal Law Publication. Constitutional Law of India, written by H.M. Sirwai and published by Central Law Publication. Constitution of India by P.M. Bakshi, published by Universal. This book is also a student-friendly one. These books are available in bookstores and libraries. In addition to these, there are more than 100 titles are available. Some of them are listed here. Informal Constitution by Abhinav Chandrachud. Supreme Court on Constitution of India by Acharya. Constitution of India by Adish C. Agarwala. Constitutional Development and National Movement of India by Agarwal. Constitution of India, a contextual analysis by Arun K. Thiruvendam. Need to amend a constitution and doctrine of basic features by Ashok Damija. Cases and materials on Constitutional Law of India by K. L. Bhatia. Textbook on the Constitution of India by Bansali S.R. Federal Structure of Textual Constitutional Law of India by K. L. Bhatia. Court and Constitution of India by Chinnappa Reddy. Constitution of India by D.J.D. Readings in the Constitution at History of India by Desika Char. Cases and material on Constitutional Law by Devi Das. Introduction to the Study of Law of Constitution by A.V. Dicey. Constitutional Remedies and Writs by Durga Das Basu. Landmarks in Indian Legal and Constitutional History by B.M. Gandhi. Indian Constitution, Cornerstone of a Nation by Granville Austin. Does India need a new constitution by Ansaria B.L. Indian Constitution by Indian Law Institute. Constitutionalism and Constitutional Pluralism by Ishwar Bhatt P. Constitution of India by Jain Kagzi. Constitution of India by Jaswant Singh. Interpreting Constitutions, a Comparative Study by Jeffrey Goldsworthy. Constitutional Law, a Political Science Casebook by Jerome R. Corsi. Constitution of India, a Politico-Legal Study by J.C. Johari. Constitutional Law of India by K.C. Joshi. Indian Constitutional Law by Kailash Rai. Makers of Indian Constitution by Keshav Dayal. Making of India's Constitution by H.R. Khanna. Constitution Corruption by Krishna Iyer. Indian Legal and Constitutional History by V.D. Kulshrestha. Reclaiming the Vision, Challenges of Indian Constitutional Law and Governance by Lokendra Malik. Indian Constitution by Madhav Karla. Constitutional Development and National Movement in India by V.D. Mahajan. Outlines of Indian Legal and Constitutional History by M.P. Singh. Indian Constitution by Mahesh Kumar Kehar. Land Laws under the Constitution of India by Maheshwara Swamy N. Constitutional Law by Mamta Rao. Judiciary in India, Constitutional Perspective by Manohar Rao. Fundamentals of Indian Constitution by Manoj Pandey. Constitution of India and Business Law by Mitra N.L. Constitutional Legal and Constitutional History by Mittal J.K. Constitutional Law by S.R. Menini. Constitutional Law of India by Narendra Kumar. Law relating to protection of human rights under the Indian Constitution and allied laws by Palok Basu. Constitutional Law of India by G.S. Pandey. Indian Legal and Constitutional History by N.V. Paranjape. Amending Powers and Constitutional Amendments by Paras Diwan. Supreme Court versus the Constitution by Pran Chopra. Constitutional Development and National Movement in India by Prem Arora. Indian Legal and Constitutional History by S.K. Puri. Constitutional Amendments in India by M.V. Paili. Politics and Ethics of Indian Constitution by Rajiv Bhargava. Guide to Constitution of India by Rajesh Kumar. Legal and Constitutional History of India by Rama Jais. Fundamental Rights and Constitutional Remedies by Ramachandran V.G. Reclaiming the Vision, Challenges of Indian Constitutional Law and Governance by P.P. Rao. Time for a New Constitution by Richard Holme. Constitutionalism by Roland Pennock J. Constitution of India by H.K. Sahre. Basic Structure Constitutionalism by Sanjav S. Jain. Constitutional Amendments by S.P. Sate. Constitution of India by H.M. Sirvai. Constitution of India, Popular Sovereignty and Democratic Transformations by Sarbani Sen. Freedom of Press under the Indian Constitution by B.R. Sharma. Constitution of India by K.M. Sharma. The Constitution of India by Shesharao Chavan. Framing of Indian Constitution by B. Shivrao. Sources and Framing of the Constitution of India by Chauhan Singh S.P. Constitution of India by D.K. Singh. Constitution of India by M.P. Singh. Indian Constitutional Law by G.C.V. Subbarao. Constitutional Law and Practice by Subhash C. Kashyap. Case Law on the Indian Constitution by Subramanian. Democracy and Constitutionalism in India by Sudhir Krishnaswamy. Working of the Constitution, Checks and Balances by V. Sudish Pai. Comparative Constitutionalism in South Asia by Sunil Kilnani. Comprehensive Study on Constitution of India by C.K. Takwani. Constitutional Law of India by T.K. Tope. Constitutional Law, New Challenges by G.P. Tripathi. Constitutional Provisions Explained for Corruption in India by Veena Kapoor. Constitution of India by Venkata Raman. Constitutional Conundrums, Challenges to India's Democratic Process by Venkateshan. Constitution of India with Short Notes by Vikas Sasishta. There are very few journals available in India for the constitutional law. However, the popular reports like All India Reporter, Supreme Court cases, etc. are publishing research articles on constitutional law. Following are some of the major international journals on constitutional law and have users all over the world. The journals are Constitutional Commentary by S.W. Wilson, International Journal of Constitutional Law by Oxford University Press, Cardozo Journal of International and Comparative Law by S.W. Wilson, University of Pennsylvania Journal of Constitutional Law by H.W. Wilson, Constitution and Bylaws by New York State Historical Association. You can access all these journals in NList database, and you can also find some articles in National Digital Library of India. There are hundreds of publishers reporting the cases of Supreme Court, High Courts, tribunals, commissions, etc. in India. There are more than 246,000 judgments on constitutional law were delivered by courts and reported in reputed reports and databases. Out of this, more than 17,000 judgments were delivered by Supreme Court of India only. There are more than 2,800 judgments were delivered by 5 and more judges bench. This is the statistic. There are some of the landmark cases on constitutional law, and some of these were cited maximum in other judgments. The cases are Commissioner of Income Tax Vidarbha versus Godavari Devi Saraf, Union of India versus Harbhajan Singh Dhillon, the State Trading Corporation of India Limited versus the Commercial Tax Officer Vishakhapatnam, Joginder Kumar versus State of Uttar Pradesh, Konkan Railway Corporation Limited versus Rani Construction Private Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited versus National Union Waterfront Workers, Kusum Ingots and Allies Limited versus Union of India, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India versus Shaunak H. Satya, Namit Sharma versus Union of India, I.C. Golaknath versus State of Punjab, Justice K.S. Puttaswamy retired versus Union of India, K. Savananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, M.C. Mehta versus Union of India, Minerva Mills Limited versus Union of India, Miss Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka, National Legal Service Authority versus Union of India, Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Olga Tellis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation, S.R. Bommai versus Union of India, Sarala Mudgal versus Union of India, Shreya Singhal versus Union of India, State of Madras versus Srimati Champakam Dorairajan, Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan. At last, these are all about the information resources available for the study of constitutional law. So in upcoming videos, you will see many more videos regarding legal resources. If you are interested to watch these videos, kindly like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel to get notifications. Thank you.